People, what's up? Hey, it's Mike. I'm on my back deck. Coming to you today. It is beautiful. I have been having a problem finding catfish rod holders. Give y'all an idea of what I do use. If y'all watch my videos, y'all know I use these spring coil rod holders. They are getting so hard to find. I mean, you can order some on Amazon that look like tools out here. You got some on Amazon that look like this. In places like Walmart, you can buy them. You know, I mean, hey, they'll hold little rods, catfish rods, but the ones I use, you know, you can see the difference. Almost fits down inside. This one here is the, you know, it's the size you have to have for the majority of your catfish poles. This one won't hold a lot of them. I mean, it's a very intelligent idea. I love using them. It's hard to find. So I went down to my local hardware store here. You know, I'm big on family-run businesses. I went down to the Lester's and got me some 2-inch PVC pipe. Alright, they already got this stuff cut. So anybody who's watching this video, all you're going to need, the only two tools you will need is a hacksaw blade and a screwdriver. So, I've already sped some of this up. Went down and got me some 2-inch PVC that's already cut. I went and got me some anchor bolts. You know, these are good. They're not going to break. And I got me some clamps. So, I got enough stuff here to make 4 rod holders for $22. These here are $10 a piece on Amazon. And I got these from Bugs Island and they were about $15 a piece. So I'm getting ready to make y'all some for around $5 a piece. Okay, I already cut my PVC pipe like so. Get them sanding edges off real good. You don't want them old burrs on there. So get all them off like so. Then take your a lot of the guys I've seen making these, they're using rebar. And you know, sometimes you ain't got nothing to cut rebar with. It's not an easy item to cut. So I went in looking also for something that had an angle on it, so I can hit it with my hammer, help drive it down in and not bust up my pipe. So we get that one on. Whoop. Oh man, got the dropsies. And we get this other one on here like so. Get them clamped down real good. Just screw her on down on there. Get it somewhat kind of tight. I don't know, you can do it with your fingers. And you know, if it's bust up, this PVC bust, starts decaying on you, just cut it off. Take it off and put your new one on there. These anchor bolts, they ain't gonna mess up. They're made for putting in concrete, holding stuff down. So, now this is what you have. After it's all together, get that twisted around there so you got something to hammer on. And then we won't do a ground demonstration because you will see these in action in a video. I'll make a video, catfishing video, and you'll better see these rod holders in action. I have a rod right here that I can show you. Simply slide it down in there. You know, this will be driven into the ground at whatever angle you want. And you slide your rod in there. It's just like so. $5 rod holder for your catfish pole. 2-inch PVC pipe, some clamps, and an anchor bolt. $5. Got your rod holder. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in. God bless and go have fun fishing.